Google Play is a great place for discovering wonderful new apps, but it's important to be cautious before downloading new apps, because of potential security consequences. Even older and well-established apps can prove to be privacy nightmares if you are not careful. Some apps can collect the data from your phone and share your personal information with third-party advertisers for money. Which is why, we've come up with a list of the 10 malicious Android apps you should never install in your phone. Come on, let's check it out.
Goodbye.
App number 1, Vio Horoscope. When you search it on the Google Play Store, you will find that this app is a horoscope application. As you see it on the screen, I am scrolling it up and down. As you can see that the preview of this application shows that this is a horoscope application which is 100% free, but in actual it is not. Come on, let's check it out. Now I have downloaded this application, and now, I am clicking on the open option. Now, here is the change in the entire environment. As you can see, there is no horoscope in this application. Instead, you will find many TV shows and web series in this application. Now here's the proof that this application is 100% fake application, and there is no guarantee that this application will not steal your personal data and transfer it to the third-party advertisers. So this is my personal opinion to you, that you should not install this horoscope application in your mobile phone. App number 2, Pocket TV. Now here is the preview of this application on Google Play Store. As you can see, this application shows you web series and many movies for free. And let me tell you that watching to the movies and web series in such a way is not a legal activity. And this is what you see when you enter this application. So please, don't download this application by looking at its free service. App number 3, VidMate. VidMate is a YouTube downloader app for Android. You can download videos from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp status, and TikTok. But according Google privacy policy, downloading videos and music from YouTube is an illegal activity, for which VidMate is not available on Google Play Store. This application also steals your personal data and spies in your mobile phone because it contains spy note. It can read your messages, OTPs, call history, emails, passwords, chats, and etc. So please don't you ever install this application. App number 4, SnapTube. SnapTube is a video downloader that enables users to play and download Facebook and YouTube videos, WhatsApp status, Vimeo videos, and etc. While users are watching the videos on SnapTube, the app's malware defrauds both users and advertisers to generate material financial returns. Researchers at Upstream have disclosed that their security platform has detected and blocked more than 70 million suspicious mobile transaction requests from SnapTube within 6 months. This app has been delivering invisible ads, performing non-human clicks and purchases. SnapTube also triggers premium calls and texts, and subscribing users to paid services even when the phone is in idle mode, which cost users up to $91 million. The user has zero control on the actions made by the app, and what's even worse is no notifications appear on the screen, leaving users clueless on what's actually running in the background. As the video has become too long because of the explanation, we will continue the name of these apps in our next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel to get more videos like this.